Students, let's start our chapter redox reaction. Today we are going to start the balancing of reactions in acidic medium. So let's start, students. See here the equation is given in which MnO4 negative going to react with iron plus 2 gives you manganese plus 2 plus Fe3 plus iron in iron. The equation is given in ionic form. First step, to find out the oxidation number of given species. So here the oxidation number of the iron is plus 2, oxidation state of manganese is plus 2, iron is plus 3. Here we have to find out the oxidation state of manganese. So student, to calculate the oxidation number of manganese, X minus plus 4 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So X is equal to plus 7. So the oxidation state of manganese here is plus 7. That is our first step. So the first step is to calculate, to find out the oxidation state of each and every element in the given equation. Step number 2. Number of electron exchange and during the reaction must be same. That means loss of electron and gain of electron must be same. So we can decide this by deciding oxidation and reduction. See here student. So write this equation once again. MnO4 negative plus Fe2 positive gives you Mn2 positive plus Fe3 positive. Here in the case of manganese, 5 electrons are exchanged, and in the case of iron 1 electron is exchanged. Here 5 manganese is reduced and iron is oxidized. So in step number 3 we have to equate the equal number of electron exchange must be there. So multiply the iron with number 5 so that total number of electron must remains same. So after multiplying this equation by 5, the new equation is MnO4 negative 5 Fe2 positive gives you Mn2 positive plus 5 Fe3 ion. Now in third step, balance the oxygen atom with the help of water. See here 4 oxygen is there, so we require 4 water molecule. Now in this right side H ions are exceed, so balance the hydrogen atom with the help of H ion. See, total number of hydrogens are here 8, so we have to take 8 H ions in the reactant side. So the balanced equation is MnO4 negative plus 5 Fe2 positive plus 8 H ion gives you Mn2 positive plus 5 Fe3 positive plus 4 water molecule. Again I am repeating how the balancing is done. See, first of all find out which species is oxidized and reduced. Calculate its numbers, number of electron exchange during the reaction. In manganese the 5 electrons are exchanged and in iron 1 electron is exchanged. So equate total number of electron exchange during the reaction. So multiply the iron with 5 so that the total number of exchange in the reaction will be 5. Now we have to balance the equation by taking water molecule because we have to balance oxygen atom. तो जितने ऑक्सीजन एटम आपके पास हैं उतने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल उसके अपोजिट साइड में आप ऐड कर दोगे. यहाँ आपके पास 4 ऑक्सीजन एटम है तो अपोजिट साइड में आपने 4 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को ऐड कर दिया. आफ्टर एडिंग द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल आपके एच आयन इंक्रीज हो गए. अपोजिट साइड में उतने ही एच आयन ऐड कर आप हाइड्रोजन एटम को बैलेंस कर लोगे. नाउ दिस रिएक्शन इज बैलेंस्ड. Students, let's take the second example. Cr2O7 negative, Fe2 positive plus H ion gives you chromium ion, ferric ion and water molecule. First of all, the first step is to calculate the oxidation number of each and every species. So here we have to calculate the oxidation number of chromium, and we calculate it by using the formulas. See, the oxidation state of one chromium atom is here 6. So write the equations once again and find out the total number of exchange during the reaction. See, in case of iron, one electron is exchanged. It's clearly understood. But in case of chromium, first we have to balance the equation atomically. See, here two chromium atoms are there, but here only one chromium element is there in its ionic form. So balanced it chromium 2. Now here the oxidation state of one chromium atom is 6, and here the oxidation state of one chromium atom is +3. For 2 electrons, the 12 electrons are there, and here the 6 electrons are there. So the electrons are, total exchange during the reaction is 6 electrons. It's clear to you? See, 6 2s are 12, and here the 2 2s are 3, and multiply the 2 with 3, total number of electrons here the 6, and here they are 12. So the electron exchange are 6, multiply this by 6, and after multiplying the reaction by 6, the new equation is Cr2O7 2 negative plus 6Fe 2 positive gives you 2 chromium 3 positive plus 6 Fe ion. Now the next step is to balance oxygen atom. Here the oxygens are 7, so we have to take 7 water molecule in its opposite side. Now here the 14 hydrogen atoms are there, so we have to take 14 H ion to balance hydrogen. So our balanced equation is Cr2O7 2 negative plus 6Fe2 positive plus 14 H ion gives you 2 Cr3 positive plus 6 Fe3 positive plus 7 water molecule. See, in this equation, why it is called as acidic medium? Because H ions are involved to balance this equation. If it is given, the reaction is given in like this form. So it's clearly understood that we have to balance the equation in acidic medium. If this H ion is not given, in bracket it is written balance the equation in acidic medium. So you can take H ion at last by your choice. Thank you, students.